Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to Friday Night Gab. I have a few things to talk to y'all about. I know that everybody is very, very busy, so I just wanted to tell you a few things, and I understand if you can't watch this video for a little while. No worries, no worries. Y'all have fun with your families. Do what you do with your families and have a good time and enjoy this holiday weekend. And I know it's terribly cold in a lot of places. A lot of places have a lot of snow. It's very, very cold here, unusually cold. And we do get cold sometimes, but this is like a 40-year record-breaking something or other. So if you hear a little noise, like a hissing noise, I have a gas heater on that wall. It's called a 5 brick. If you know it, if you're in the South, you know what that is. I never really heard of it till I moved here from the North. The heating here is different. And a heat pump is what I have. It really doesn't work well if you go below 32, if you go below freezing for any length of time. And we will be, let's see, from Thursday night all the way to Monday, we will not get above freezing. We might get above freezing on Sunday for a minute or two. So that's a long stretch. So I'm using the gas heat with some fans running to circulate it through the house. So I'm experimenting, but so far it's been working. So, I mean, it's been, keeping me warm as opposed to the cold air that the heat pump would blow. Anyway, I know I'm taking up way too much time with that. So let me tell you a few things. All right. A lot of people say to me on Saturday, they'll say, "Oh, Mary, I'm so sorry I missed your live." I am not live right now. This is not live. When I go live, I only go live about once a month, and it looks different. I'm still sitting here, but it looks, well, there's like buffering, and it looks a little more snowy because my computer is not as good of a camera as my phone is. So I only do that about once a month, and I always let y'all know on my community tab several days during the week leading up to the live. I tell you on the Friday Night Gab from the week before, and I tell you on Mass Monday. So I usually it's about the middle Friday of the month, usually. So, but even if you miss my live, you can always watch back. If you wait, if it's Friday night, you can watch it. It'll be up there. As soon as I finish, it goes up as a video. But the live chat, so, I'm there saying, "Oh yeah, hey Sue, hey Mary," this kind of thing. And you're like, "Well, who's she talking to? Who's she talking to?" If you wait until about the morning, usually it's a few hours, it's somewhere in the middle of the night. I know some of y'all are late night people. Somewhere in the middle of the night, right below the video on your phone, there's a little box that says live chat. And you can, I think that's what it says. You can click on that, and then you can see, you can see that Sue came in, and you can see that Mary came in. I'm like, "Oh, she's talking to that Sue, she's talking to that Mary." So then you'll know what's going on. And if I say something like, "Oh yeah, it's really cold here," you could see, "Oh, so-and-so asked her, what's the weather like there?" or something like that. So it's just a little easier to follow if you watch the words as well, which I don't know if you can do that on a TV. I only know you can do it on your phone and a computer. So anyway, but that's about that. I think, and I also was told by several people that they missed my live last week, which was December 16th, because they didn't get a notification. And y'all, I didn't get a notification either. I always get an email that I'm going live, and I didn't get it. I don't know why. I'm not in charge of that at all. That's something that YouTube didn't do. I don't know what happened. So I did the same stuff I always do for my end. So I don't know why they didn't notify you that I went live. I don't know. So I can't be held responsible for that. So I feel a little rushed and everything too. They say we may lose power. So I've been trying to get some things up because I know some areas won't lose power, and then you might want to watch a video or two. I've got lots of friend mail and things. Anyway, I hope that y'all just taking time. Just turn off the TV for a while and take time with your family if you're able to. If you can. Like me, I don't have family here, so I'll be watching a lot of YouTube probably this weekend. I'm off for 4 days, so I'm excited about that. Okay, so I also want to tell you I'm not making a separate video just because it's too much trouble with all these. It's not really that it's too much trouble. It's just that I have so many videos going up every day. I don't want to keep bombarding y'all with videos, yet I'm still doing it. So I did talk to the winner. Jen Warshower won my hidden treasure, which was in my Facetory video that I did. It's been a couple weeks now probably. I got a Facetory haul, and I got some different sheet masks and things like that, and I share some of those with you. And that was a hidden giveaway, so I call that a hidden treasure. Normally I make a video telling you who won, but I've already talked to Jen, so she's aware of it. And so I don't have to worry about finding anyone. That was the one where I had the moon mask. You know, the moon mask is the one that has cream in it instead of like a serum or an essence. And there's other masks as well. And on the Whisk bag, the Whisk F bags, I did not hear from one. I had 2 winners, and I didn't hear from one of them. So I have. It was the second person that I heard from. So, and that was Jen Warshower. It just so happens she won both of these giveaways, and so she's picking a bag as if she's the first person. And I'm not going to redo that. I'm not going to pull another name right now because I have this Whisk giveaway coming up very, very soon. In probably at this point, probably in January, maybe next week. And it's a big giveaway. So we're just going to stick with that one. And, you know, I'm going to end up in the long run having some bags left over. So I will put those in giveaways, or I may do a separate giveaway now and again to tell you about it or something. And also, my December Boxycharm was fantastic. I had 4 makeup items. So excited. And I didn't really even say that in the video. So, but I loved it. And the mega sale, I have been to, three, if not 4 years, 3.5 years on Boxy. And that mega sale that was in November was the best sale that I've ever experienced. Now, you know, that's because of the things that I like to buy. You know, other people may feel that there's been better ones. Some of the times the mega sales are not the best, in my opinion. But this November one, I had, you know, I had a bunch of videos of Boxy stuff. So if you want to go see them, go see them. And I want to also thank everybody that I've just been overwhelmed. Thank you. Y'all mean so much to me. And all of your good wishes that you sent to me for Christmas, for my birthday, I really love it and appreciate it. And your kind words, the cards that you've sent, gifts that you've sent, they are just, everything is so meaningful to me. I just want to thank y'all so much. I truly adore y'all. It means so much to me. It really does. It really does. Yeah, so it does. It really does. I don't know, you know, I don't know how other people feel, but I feel very close to a lot of y'all. I really do. And you mean a lot to me. So thank you so much for being here. And I did want to show you, if you didn't see this video, I'll link it below. It was a, what's it called? CatLady Box. CatLady Box. I got a gift from CatLady Box. And I also did a little mini haul. This is one of the shirts I got. Got that for, you know, cheap. And they had fabulous sales during Christmas time. And they may still, you know, all these places that were having sales, they may still have some sales going on through the end of the year. And then also in January, sometimes there's more sales. But they sent me these socks, if you all have not seen them. They sent this as a gift, and they sent a soap as well, a beautiful cat-shaped soap. And look at these. Can you all just, anybody that knows my channel, take a look at these socks. What do you see? That is Smudge. That is my baby boy Smudge. And that is Blue. That is my baby boy Blue. And how they got these pictures, they got these pictures off of videos, I guess, or on Instagram, because they do, I follow them on Instagram and I chat with them on Instagram. So between Instagram and my videos, they've snapped these pictures and they have taken, and they made me socks. I mean, I don't even know if I could ever wear these socks. I think I might have to hang them up because they're fantastic. I adore them. I never want them to wear out or anything, so I never want to wear them. But I cannot thank them enough. This was yet another thing that has touched me beyond measure. So thank you, CatLady Box. And I do have several giveaways. that I wanted to remind y'all of, and I have the I Won So You Can Win giveaway going on, and that I won a giveaway from Jason from Fozzie Bear and Arlene from Unboxing with Arlene, and I will put that video below. Also, go check it out because that giveaway is still going on. You have to be subscribed to those two channels and me to win the giveaway, and it's a nice giveaway. And then I have a birthday collab going with Charmaine Staycation, and I'll put that video below also. And Charmaine and I, it just so happens, she knew last year. I forgot about it because I'm a dork, but she and I have the same birth date. So we did a collab on our birthday, which was last Saturday. And so we did a giveaway. And hers is really spectacular, y'all. She beat me way out. I can't do as fabulous as she did. She did fabulous. So, but it's an international giveaway for both of us. So go check that out. And then we have the Advent calendar video. Let me say that again. The Advent calendars. I have a Christmas treasure hunt giveaway going on in the Advent calendars videos. So those are on, they're marked 12 o'clock every day from December 1 to December 25. Today's only December 23, so we've got 2 more days to go. And it ends on December 25th. And there are bonus items in other videos. So you have to, we're going to see what happens over this weekend with the nation. If you run out of electricity, I don't know how you're going to tell me. I don't want anybody to feel pressured. I'm ending this on Christmas Day with the last video that goes out at noon Central Time. So when I say I'm ending it, there will be no more items in the giveaway. If you see any videos after that have bonus items in them, those are going in my next giveaway, which I'll tell you about in a minute. So from December 1 to December 25, I have different videos. I have the Advent calendar videos. That's what you have to know for the giveaway. To win the giveaway, you have to know what those items are. You have to know the days. So say, for example, day 1, there is a shampoo. Then you would just say day 1 shampoo, or day 1, Pantene, whatever you want to say. Something that makes me know it was a shampoo and it was, the brand. You don't have to know the brand because sometimes, we say in fast, you might not be able to spell it. That's okay. Just as long as you tell me approximately what the product was. There's not something every day. That is the fun of it for me, is that you're watching my videos. What this does for me is it makes you watch my videos, which I don't want to say that it makes you watch my videos. I want you to want to watch my videos. I hope that you want to watch my videos because I adore you and I want you to be here. So you'll send me after Christmas Day, Christmas night, whenever you get it done, the 26th, the 27th through the 28th at midnight Central Time. Send me your list via Instagram or DM or email. MaryCatherineLovesCats@gmail.com. No, that's not it. Hang on. That's not my email. My goodness sakes. MaryCatherineLovesCats@yahoo.com. That's my email. And what I got that G from was Instagram, IG. If you DM me on Instagram, I'm Mary Catherine Loves Cats over there. Catherine's with a C, just like my name is spelled in here. So send me your list. If I see that people aren't sending me lists, then I will know that people have their power out or something. And I may end up extending it if people are having trouble. If there's any way you can tell me that you're having trouble or you need a little more time, I may extend it through the weekend or something, through the, which would be like January 1st or something, because I don't want, I want anybody that wants to be entered, I want you to be entered. Okay. Does that make sense? And then you have to know those days and what the items are. And if you get that correct, then you also will write your list of your bonuses. I don't know at this very moment. I'm going to tell you on Christmas Day how many items are in the Advent calendar videos and how many items are in the bonuses. If you say, for example, I have 10 items of bonuses and you only like 2, then just name the 2. If you like all 10, name all 10. If you only saw 8, don't worry about it. Name all 8. Unless you have the time to go back and watch, oh, did I miss that video? Did I miss that video? You know, that'll be on you if you can handle it or not. So it's just a way, it's a trick that a creator, myself, made up to get you to watch my channel. Okay. So that's what it is. Okay. So, and I'm going to, here's all right, I'll come back to this. Let me write myself a note so I come back. I also have my treasure trove giveaways always going on. And that Whisk F giveaway is coming up next week or January. And I'll have several January collabs that are coming up soon. And I do want to tell you, though, about the next Advent. I have another Advent calendar that CC's Trail Size Life and Laura the Bargain Hunter gave me. Anybody I mention will be in the description. They gave me the 25-day calendar from Macy's. They also gave me a 12-day calendar from Macy's. So I'm going to open that starting December 26th, and it's going to go to January 6th. And that is the Epiphany. That is, I was taught growing up, I was taught all my life that is the day that the 3 kings make it to Jesus, to baby Jesus. So that is the 12 days of Christmas, the way I was brought up. So that's what I'm going to do that 12-day Advent calendar on. So we're going to play the Christmas treasure hunt again. So there may be a video, there may be a bonus. There may be an item in each video. There may not be. And any videos I do from December 26th to January 6th may have a bonus item in them. Okay. So if anybody has any questions, ask me. And this is getting rather long, so I'm going to end it. And I do want to wish everybody fabulous holidays. I hope that everybody, I know this can be such a tragic time of year for a lot of people. People in my life have had deaths recently, which seems to be, I don't know why it's true. There are a lot of people pass away at the holiday times. So if this has happened to you, you have my prayers, sending you love and prayers. A lot of my subscribers pray. They're good praying people. So, you know, they'll send out prayers for everybody if you can, people. And if you've celebrated Hanukkah, I know it just recently passed. I hope you had a wonderful time. If you celebrate Christmas, I hope you enjoy this weekend. If you don't celebrate anything and you're just off from work for a few days, I hope you enjoy it. I celebrate Christmas, and I will be going to church on Christmas Day. It's on Sunday, and I'm happy about that. So otherwise, I will be in my house because it's freezing, and I will be taking care of my house houses in the South can't well, you know, it's still standing, so it can handle it to some extent. But anyway, I hope that everybody is safe and everybody is well. And I love y'all, and I pray for y'all every night. I pray for y'all. I really do. And I love y'all, and count your blessings, and happy holidays. Bye-bye.